this is Mary's Kitchen. You're welcome once again to Mary's Kitchen. So I'm going to show you how to do a very simple banana bread using your gas cooker. You don't need mixer, you don't need blender, you don't even need electricity. Now I'm going to be introducing you to the ingredients that we're going to be using today. Sit back, enjoy, and let's bake. Using 225 grams of flour, 170 grams of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder or baking soda, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of nutmeg, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. We're going to be using 110 ml of groundnut oil. We'll need 2 eggs. We'll need 2 bananas, but in the absence of bananas, we're going to be using this plantain. This is the same thing, but this one is good for frying if you want to make plantain chips, and this one is good for cake baking. Most people don't use it, but I like to try something because this is all what I have at home. And you'll be needing a pan, then you need a whisk. You also need a spatula and a bowl. So let's start baking. I'm going to start by adding all the dry ingredients together. This is sugar, salt, baking soda, and I'm going to add nutmeg and cinnamon powder together. And I'll give a quick whisk to mix all the dry ingredients together. It's good. You mix all the dry ingredients together. So the next thing you'll do is to peel your banana. This one here, you're going to peel it. When you peel it, it's going to be yellow. You can always make any beautiful food, any lovely food, any home food at home for your family. It doesn't really have to be in the restaurant. You just make use of what you have. It doesn't take anything, it's already mushy because it's very soft now since it was well ripe. So this is good for our cake. Usually, if I were to be making it for, I used to add like lemon seeds, so add the lemon juice, and you can also add some nuts as well. Smelling good. So now I'm going to add the egg. I'll break it. My egg is fresh and it was washed already. That's it. And I'll add the second one. Be careful not to put the shell. And you can continue using your fork to mash it again. So now I'm going to add the 110 ml of groundnut oil to it, to the wet ingredient, and continue mixing. What I'm doing is part of exercise. By the time you finish, you know that you're strengthening your muscles by doing this. It gives strength to your muscles. See? You see? And then we're going to pour in gradually the dry ingredients. Keep folding, just keep folding it in. Instead of wasting your plantain, Okay, now I'm going to show you how to grease the pan before you pour in the batter. So this is a little groundnut oil. We're going to use our hands. Then you add a little bit of baking flour. Also prevent it from sticking or burning. Just put oil and that's done. And shake off the excess. Then it's time to pour in our cake batter. That's it. Take out the lid and use a toothpick to test for doneness. Don't be to take it out now. Ooh, it's looking good. Can you see? I'll test for doneness now. See, it's not sticking. It's ready. So we'll just keep it a couple of minutes and we'll bring it down.